Florence, congrats pala ha. 30 years na pala kayo. Naku, alam mo, hindi lahat umaabot ng ganong katagal ha. Sana si Bernard tsaka si Angela umabot ng ganong katagal tapos mas higit pa.
Pasensya na bala eh.
Let's see. It's no secret that for the marriage to last, dapat the husband is able to provide for the family. Danilo here has done that for me. Happy wife, happy life.
Yan din naman ang ginagawa ni Bernard.
Really?
Chloe, gusto mo bang mag-coffee?
Alam mo, bakit hindi mo yayain si Dayan? Magtayo pa kayo